Welcome back my YouTube channel. Kublai Shibon ya kito kibasngyo tanan pan page kum kine kijajing hikai kane kajing hikai ngawanra shipi kumno bangin nang kloy ya kakten pareng kine kikendon ngidei banbot ladab hiyo sngyo chung mentoy nakane ka video panam klan pan share like and subscribe. Klem dapen slam alengin yestang no. Speaking English slowly has two advantage. Kasi ban kren pareng suki kadon arteli kijing mentoy. It give you more time to think of what to say. Kasi ka ai yapi shibon kapor ban perkat ya ka ai kaba pin ong. It makes your speech clear so the others person can understand. Kasi kapan lang yaka jingkren jongpi ban long kabashai knang ba kiway kin sngew tho. Where did you learn this thing? Kasi shano hinang ya gine ki. I learned with the help of my friends. Kasi nganang da kajing yarap jong upar lak jonga. I didn't hear clearly. Kasi ngam yo sngew bah. Do you know her? Kasi pi ito yaka. No, I don't know her. Kasi ngam ito yaka. How is your business? Kasi kumno kakam kaljam jongpi. Not very good. Kasi kam dabyang bha. What did you say? Kasi ka ai piong. I didn't say anything. Kasi nga klem ong ai. What is the date today? Kasi kat no tarik menta kasngi. When will they come? Kasi lano kinwan. They will come at night. Kasi kinwan shibit janmet. Do you have more? Kasi pi dang don shu. Don't worry, you are not alone. Kasi what sngew si phim long marway. You are the light of my life. Kasi pi long kajing shai ha kajing im jonga. You bring joy to my life. Kasi pi wanra ya kajing kemen ha kajing im jonga. You inspire me. Kasi pi ai mensin yanga. You are wasting my time. Kasi phi penlot ya kapor jonga. What do you want from me? Kasi ka ấy phi quá nanga. I need your help and your support. Kasi nga trần cẩm cả chính gia rap but cả chính cơ sản trong phi. So that I can make more video. Kasi nang ba ngan pen me shu shibon teli ki video. We need to support each other. Kasi nghi trần cẩm ban cơ sản y vậy. See you in the next video.